5 herbs that can make your belly flat in minutes. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all of our hearts and stomachs: digestive relief. We understand how uncomfortable and even painful it can be when you read dealing with a bloated or uneasy stomach. That's why we're here to share 5 powerful herbs that can bring you quick and natural relief. These herbs have been used for centuries for their amazing digestive benefits. And now it's time to unlock their secrets. So, if you're ready to find some relief, stick around. You don't want to miss this. Herb No. 1. Peppermint. Peppermint, the fresh, cool herb that not only smells amazing, but also does wonders for your digestion. This herb is like a breath of fresh air for your stomach. It relaxes the muscles in your gut, easing the way for smooth digestion. Plus, it helps to relieve those pesky cramps that make you feel all twisted up. But that's not all. Peppermint also has a knack for soothing indigestion and bloating, making it a go-to for a flat belly in minutes. And the best part, you can enjoy peppermint in various forms, from tea to capsules. Just a word of caution, though, if you're taking peppermint oil, it's best to dilute it first to avoid any irritation. Remember, while these herbs are powerful, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. So, if you're facing serious digestive issues, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. Herb No. 2. Ginger. Next up is ginger, a zesty root with a kick. Ginger has long been known for its digestive prowess. Its active compound, gingerol, is a real game changer when it comes to soothing the gut. Whether you're dealing with nausea, gas, bloating, or even a touch of indigestion, ginger has your back. You can easily brew some ginger tea to calm your stomach in no time. But ginger's benefits don't stop there. It's also great at helping you keep those unwanted pounds at bay. Feeling bloated and weighed down can sometimes be a result of water retention or excess salt in your diet. Ginger's natural diuretic properties come to the rescue here by flushing out excess water and sodium, giving you a lighter, flatter belly in minutes. Herb No. 3. Chamomile. Now, let's talk about chamomile, the floral herb that's not just calming for the mind, but also for the gut. When your digestion is off, your gut might feel a bit uneasy, leading to discomfort and bloating. Chamomile has a special power to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, helping to ease that discomfort and reduce bloating. It's like a warm hug for your stomach. Plus, chamomile is a natural diuretic, assisting in the removal of excess water and sodium from your body. This can further contribute to a flatter belly and a feeling of lightness. Herb No. 4. Fennel. Up next is fennel, an herb with a licorice-like flavor that's been used for centuries to aid digestion. Fennel seeds, in particular, are packed with compounds that help relax the digestive muscles, allowing food to move smoothly through your gut. Say goodbye to constipation and hello to regular bowel movements. Fennel also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe any irritation in your digestive tract, reducing inflammation and bloating. Herb No. 5. Turmeric. Last but certainly not least is turmeric, the golden spice with powerful healing properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that acts as a natural pain reliever and anti-inflammatory agent. When it comes to digestion, curcumin can help ease those uncomfortable cramps and reduce inflammation in your gut. By incorporating turmeric into your routine, you'll not only be supporting your digestive health, but also giving your meals an anti-inflammatory boost. And there you have it, 5 incredible herbs that can bring relief to your digestive system and help you achieve a flatter belly in minutes. From the refreshing coolness of peppermint to the comforting warmth of turmeric, each herb brings its unique set of benefits. Remember, these herbs are like your allies in achieving digestive comfort and overall well-being. So next time you experience any digestive discomfort, reach out to these natural wonders. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, stay happy,